Well, we're here live at Costco, folks, and guess what? It is April 14th, and the new ad is out. I want to take you in and show you some great new deals, including ones that are unpublished. There's always some really good deals that are not shown here. So we have some big savings in all sorts of categories, folks, especially the OPE, outdoor power equipment. We're going to show you some of that. Grills, we're going to show you remodeling stuff, vanities. All of that new stuff has come in. Really good stuff there. Big time savings in electronics. And the vacuum wars are going again, and of course the speakers, the audio and speakers is real big right now. So let's go take a look. So we walked smack dab into the middle of Costco's April audio savings event, and man, was there a whole bunch of sets of speakers on sale, particularly from Klipsch, and I'm glad to see them in there in Costco. For those of you who are unfamiliar, Klipsch is a very well-known home speaker brand that was popular with audiophiles, especially back in the early 80s. Some of their speakers are collector's items. So here they had the Klipsch reference Dolby Atmos surround system. This is a full set of 7 speakers, the full surround system in a box. And here you can see they've got it marked down $100 off down to $699. What's interesting about this set of speakers is your 2 mains up front. They aim forward as well as straight up. Next we can see the Klipsch 5.1 channel reference theater pack. So this is a little bit smaller system, but look at the price, man. They took off $120 all the way down to $329 on this deal. It's just a sea of Klipsch speakers there at Costco. I was so excited to see this Denon receiver here at Costco because I'm an old Denon fan. I have a 20-year-old Denon receiver at home that's still running my home theater. So this one here is the 7.2 channel receiver. It supports DTS:X and Dolby Atmos. And if you flip it around and look on the back, you'll see it has 6 different HDMI inputs and 1 HDMI output. So this thing is ready to go for all of your modern video sources. So it was refreshing to see a grouping of such great names in audio and speakers. So here you can see you've got the Yamaha soundbar, and this one also has the subwoofer with it. And this one is $70 off down to $229. But you know what? Vizio is saying, hey, not so fast, folks, because we too have a soundbar and we too have a subwoofer. And so here's what they've got there. And you can see it's marked down $30 to $119. By the way, did I mention that we have Klipsch speakers there too? Yeah, here's another set, folks. These are outdoor speakers here. So these are pretty nice there, and they are also marked off $50 down to $139.99. Now this one here we see on sale from time to time. This is that cutesy speaker. It's actually a Bluetooth speaker. It's high-powered from Ion. And here you can see it's marked off $50 down to $149.99. Now this one here is a whopper of a savings, folks, and I mean a whopper of a savings. So what they did here is this is Sony's high-end noise-canceling headphones, and they took $100 off down to $199. So if those headphones cost too much for you and you're looking for something a little less expensive, they have these here. These are premium noise-canceling headphones, and these are Bluetooth as well. And they've taken $30 off down to $99. Oh, and check this out, man. I just happened to be walking by the jewelry counter there, and look at that ring in the middle there. $53,999, folks, and 99 cents. I don't think you can get them to give you that 99 cents. I just wanted to show you this real quick before we get to all of the remodeling stuff and the tools, but this is Seagate's 8 terabyte drive. This video you're watching is actually produced on this drive. I had to go and buy it last week because my other one filled up real quick, so I was desperate. But I had to pay $169 when I bought it a few weeks ago. And then last week they dropped it down to $139, and now they dropped it again down to $119 for the sale. So I go up to the customer service counter, and they gave me the difference back. That's the one cool thing about Costco. So this is why we always tell you folks to watch these prices closely, watch the ad cycle, and try to time it. And even if you have to miss it once in a while like I just did, it's good to know that you have that price matching guarantee to fall back on. Okay, now venturing into the remodeling department, check this out, man. This is an awesome sink by Kohler. It's got a silicone mat that you can put in the bottom of it, and it also comes, as you can see there, with a bamboo board. And that faucet, though, is just incredible. A magnetic, very nice looking semi-professional faucet. Sticks way up high, higher than most of the other ones here. So this was Pro inspired, and what I like about it, it's 18 gauge steel. Normally you want to look for between 16 gauge and 18 gauge. The cheaper sinks that you know you could practically push in and out on the stainless steel bottoms, those are normally like 20 to 22 gauge. But this is a very nice sink, and you can see here it's $70 off at $279, which is an incredible price, because you go to Home Depot and you buy faucets like this for like $279 just for the faucet, not including the sink. And while I was standing there, I saw one family already putting one of these sinks into their cart. And here's one of the first vanities there, the guest bathroom vanity. And this one has kind of a tropical feel to it. It's kind of a really cool looking view. And it comes with everything you need there. If you look underneath there, it's all soft close doors on this. They even supplied a color pen for correction. Now this is all solid oak wood and veneers, and this is the Carrera quartz top. And look, you know, it's brand new, so there's no sale price on this. It's $299. But this is about the same price that you'll find a lot of vanities at Home Depot and Lowe's that are made out of particle board. And remember, Costco has dozens more vanities online, full-size ones for your master bathroom. Oops, I meant to say primary bathroom. We're not allowed to say master bedroom or master bathroom anymore because of all of the whining snowflakes out there. Okay, so anyway, here's the other Ove vanity, and I believe we had this one last year too. I'm pretty sure. We did have several different Oves that they had in stock last year. These are really good, super high quality, solid wood. It comes with the vanity top as well there. And these are built with good build quality. As you look here, what we always specify that makes up what we think are the better constructed vanities. And that's the things like the dovetail drawers that you see here. And we, of course, like the soft close doors. And just look what they did in the center here, how cleverly fit that second shelf that goes around your P-trap. So now you have an elevated storage inside in the middle there. And then, of course, I love this drawer on the bottom. Soft close. Everything is soft close. And they already have a large square cutout on the back wall. So now you don't have to drill any circle holes for the pipes, which is a lot off of your mind. Okay, and those of you guys that do your own oil changes, you guys are going to be quite happy because Mobil 1 is back on sale again. $10 off a 6-pack. And pretty much from what we've seen, these are usually about the cheapest prices you're ever going to find on Mobil 1. And they have several different types there, as you can see here, that you can choose from: high mileage, regular. And let's not forget about the tires, people, because guess what? Michelin is back again on the ad cycle again this month. They tend to leapfrog each other. One month it's Michelin, the next month it's Bridgestone. So this month it's pretty much the same deal we always see. It's either $110 off if you're spending up to $700, or you'll get $150 off a set of 4 if your tires are over $700. Mine usually come in the $800 range because the tires we get for our Mercedes are in the $200 range. So yeah, we will always get the $150 off, and it's so seamless. You order them, the tires come in. When they come in, they send you an email, you go online, and you book your appointment time. And that's the best way to do it, people. Okay, now we saw a number of people buying these this morning. This is that Comfort Grand 14-inch memory foam. It's kind of like a gel mattress, I guess. And it's, you know, $120 off the price, all the way down to $479. Okay, now venturing into the OPE world, otherwise known as outdoor power equipment. The first thing you see we have up here in the House of Vaudeville, folks, we have a 100-foot 5/8-inch garden hose. They call this contractor grade. So they got it for $5 off, down to $18.99. But if you're going to use a pressure washer with it, you might want to consider a 3/4-inch hose. Now, this piece of outdoor equipment is the Husqvarna pressure washer. We usually see it go on sale twice a year. This one here is the 3200 PSI with 2.5 gallons per minute, which is really good for professional grade work, for doing sidewalks and stuff like that. So this one here is marked down $80 to $269. Now, I'm not a big fan of the Briggs & Stratton engine. If I buy a power washer like this, I'm going to buy one with a Honda engine any day. But of course, you can't beat this price either. So this month, Costco has a number of online deals that are not in the warehouse, and here's one of them. So if you want to ditch the gasoline power washer there, and if you want to go here with this one, this is electric from Greenworks, and so this is a 2000 psi, which is pretty much where most of the electric units top out. And let me see if it says 1.2 gallons per minute, a little bit on the low side. So on our video last week that we did on that soap cannon, we used that electric Ryobi, and that's a 1600 psi with 1.2 gallons per minute, I believe, and it was only $99. And here we have the Greenworks lawnmower, folks, and this is electric, cordless. So this comes in the kit with two 80-volt batteries. And these guys are really getting big for their britches. Look at this price. It started out at $399, and it's down to $319. They took $80 off, but that's still a pretty big price. Now, this lawnmower is self-propelled. Now, it says on the box you get 50 minutes of runtime, whereas my DeWalt mower says you'll get an hour of runtime. And the rear wheels are bigger than the front. And right next to the lawnmower, Greenworks also has this nice little cost-effective kit here. So they've got these two tools. You get the 16-inch trimmer, the weed whacker going there. But look what's right next to it on the box. Look what it says on the box. There's 730 CFM on the blower. If that's true, this thing would blow the Ego one out of the water that's over at Lowe's at I think it was 650. We were talking about that on the live stream today that we did through Lowe's, and everybody was shocked. They were going, wait a minute, there's no way anybody has more CFM than Ego, especially from Greenworks. So they're not a name that you would associate as being as powerful as Ego. Hey, but we'll see. Time will tell. So this blower combo, and keep in mind you get two batteries with this kit too, folks. It's down $80 to $319. These are new. They are not on sale, but I thought I would show them to you anyway. So these are the Fisker's 16-foot power lever. So this is an extendable pole saw that goes up to 16 feet, and it's currently $60. But, you know, this might show up in the ad cycle maybe next month or the month after. You never know. Several of the items that I showed you here in this video already on the sale this month had just come in a week or two ago. Now, Trinity makes some pretty good stuff. They make a lot of stuff for kitchen and closet organization, but they have this nice bamboo kitchen cart, and of course this is $99 right now, but I wouldn't be surprised if it drops down to $79 maybe in the next ad cycle. Now, the security wars are heating up too, folks. So here they have this Blink Mini. It's like the 5 outdoor camera system. And so right now they have that marked off $50 down to $249, and it comes with a sign. Don't put the sign up. Don't tell people what security system you have. You never want potential burglars to know what your system is. And of course, not to be outdone, but Ring has their 10-piece security system back on the ad cycle again this month. And so here it is. This is what it looks like. And so their system is now marked down $50 to $179. Okay, now check this one out. In the budget category for your computers, you've got this Lenovo IdeaPad. So this is a 15.6-inch display. So they've got this one marked down $100, down to $649. And then right next to it, they have the Dell Inspiron laptop. And that one is down $100 to $699 from $799. And then for all of you gamers out there, don't forget about this MSI gaming laptop that we've got here. So this is also in this month's ad, and it's marked down $150 from $849 down to $699. And probably the biggest savings in the computers today here is the LG Gram laptop. Now, we normally see this one go on sale probably 2 or 3 times a year at this price. They take $300 off, and it goes down to $11.99. Now, in a couple of days, we're going to do another video here from Costco, part 2, that's going to show you a lot of the other deals that we just didn't have time to be able to get into this video in a timely manner. So watch for that video also in a couple of days. We'll show you items like this Keeter Bevy bar, and most of you are fans of Keeter if you own the DeWalt Tough System storage box or the Milwaukee Packout or the rigid storage box, because Keter makes them. Hey, and you know what, folks? If you're finding this video useful so far, hey, do us a favor, would you please give us a thumbs up down below? That tells us that you like us. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, man, you see all of this great world-class content that we upload for you, all of these great videos on remodeling your homes. We cover all sorts of in-depth categories like covering your kitchens and installing cabinets, and all sorts of other videos on remodeling your bathrooms. As you can see here, we help you deliver the best bathroom you could possibly get, installing tile throughout your house, how to install wood flooring, laminate flooring. We also cover engineering disasters you might find through your house. And we also do these great tool review videos for you that you're accustomed to seeing. And you know, we do all sorts of thorough testing and drop testing of the tools so that you can tell whether you're getting a quality product or not. And we also give you all of those great walkthroughs of the hardware stores, finding you the best tools at the best prices. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do that right now while it's fresh on your mind. Click that subscribe button below and click the gray bell icon next to it. That tells YouTube to alert you whenever we upload a video or go live. That way you don't miss out. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today, folks, and we'll see you on the next one.